How to transfer money from Safepal to Cashapp. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your Safepal app and make sure that you are logged in. Now the next step here is to go ahead and tap on the option which currency or crypto you want to transfer. So go ahead and click on Bitcoin or BTC, and then from here you have three options. You can either swap it, receive it, or send it. Now since you're gonna send it, tap on send. And once you have done that, here are a few things that you need. So the first thing you have to do is enter the amount that you want to send, and you also need the wallet address. First, enter the amount by tapping on it, and once you've entered the amount of Bitcoin, it will convert it to USD or any other corresponding currency. So once that is done, you will need the wallet address. So for that, open up your Cash App, and here you're going to have to find your Bitcoin's wallet address. So tap on the banking icon at the bottom left, and from here you have different options like savings, Bitcoin, stock, taxes. Tap on Bitcoin, and then from here you have different options like buying Bitcoin, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option to deposit Bitcoin. Just tap on it, and from here, you are going to have to copy the wallet address. Now go back to your SafePal app and then enter the address there. And then you're going to tap on next and confirm your payment. Then your BTC will be transferred to PayPal, and you can transfer it back to the Cash App money. And after that, you can use the Cash App to make payments. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.